Competition over. Their life begins with murder. That's nature. Complete or die. You are also like the Hohenbergs. This pen is an astronaut pen, fountain pen, and other ballpoint pen. Doesn't work in the outer space. Scientists spend millions to this pen. Can write at any angle, in any temperature, in zero gravity. When I was a student, a professor told me I was scared. And then he showed me his pen. Then he said, when you meet the extraordinary student that passed through you, give it to him. Now, who wants this pen?